Tropical update as of 9 a.m. PST, July 12th. Tropical Storm Christina is eroding, which is about ready to be coming over Everett Low. We're going to show you a satellite picture of it. No convection, still well defined at the low levels. NHC says it's moving over 23-degree water with stable air, and they decreased it to 55 knots based on satellite estimates. It should be coming over low pretty soon, within the next 12 to 24 hours. Moving 280 by 11 should head west, slightly north of west. Alright, we're going to look at the models. And they all agree with that hurricane model, GFS enablers, CMC, and the intensity models definitely take it down. Now on to 98, which they say 40% in the next 48 hours, 70% in the next 5 days. I think it's probably higher. Let's be honest. Let's look at it. A clear day high analysis convection over it. This is a depression. Even if conditions are not perfect, and they're probably not going to be based on very little model support for development. But I think we could have a quick depression later today if trends keep up based on this organization. They say 40% in the next 40 hours. I think it's already a depression. Let's get ahead westward, then southwestward. Let's look at the models for it. And this is what the hurricane models show. Slightly north of west, then slightly south-southwest later in the period for the 12Z hurricane models. The GFS neighbors agree. Intensity models are not high on it, and that's probably because it's going to be under a lot of shear. But I think it's probably should be upgraded to a depression in the short term. But that's just my opinion. Going outward, you can clearly see the organization of the system getting a lot better. Here you can see Christina over stable air. Potentially the next system about ready to move into the Eastern Pacific, crossing Central America right now. Let's look at the models. Let's go to 24 hours. There's Christina. It doesn't really show anything for 98, even so the depression, in my opinion. Christina, this system. I mean, that's right in here, so it actually gets it there pretty fast. Actually in 48 hours, the 116th, 105. Still low pressure in the South Pacific Caribbean, which is interesting. But it really doesn't strengthen 98 at all. But even if the conditions were really bad, I disagree. I mean, it takes that at 96, it takes that energy from the Caribbean into the Eastern Pacific. 120 hours. Really no development, hardly any developable the next 120 hours. Starts developing at 168. 192 has a tropical storm. Really, the Eastern Pacific is really sucking this year. I mean, the conditions are really bad. I mean, here's the Caribbean low pressure area. This is definitely something I'll keep an eye on, but until it develops. It has a tiny bit of model support. I mean, and you got a system off the Cape Verge, which is going to run on the SAL in cold water and then fade. Let's look at the models. You got low pressure on the coast of South America. You got the tropical wave for 24 hours. There's 48 hours. You really see no development. 72 hours, no development. 96 hours, no development. 120 hours, no development. We're going to look at the ECNWS for the Eastern Pacific. It shows this other system at 192. Let's go back to 24 hours. You definitely see 98 is better represented in this model. It's just north of west for 48 hours. It doesn't really develop it, but it definitely shows it could be a depression. There's 72 hours across the basin. Really nothing out 96. Nothing at 120. Other than that 144. Except maybe a little pressure from our Caribbean system. That's your tropical update as of today.